And first here at 4, you'll soon have to wear a mask again outdoors. Governor Brown just made that announcement, statewide mandate that is set to begin on Friday.
You know, this all comes as Oregon hospitals are overrun with COVID patients. Devin Haskins is live for us downtown with more on the mandate. And Devin, this applies to everyone.
That's right. Regardless of your vaccination status, it applies to everyone. And starting Friday, you'll have to wear a mask in crowded outdoor settings. Almost 2 months after Governor Brown celebrated the reopening of Oregon and removed mask mandates, she's once again putting those same mandates back in place. 2 weeks ago, she mandated masks be worn indoors. Now, you will be required to wear a mask at all large outdoor gatherings where proper distance can't be maintained. The mandate starts Friday, which is the same day that the Oregon State Fair kicks off after being canceled last year. The fair says they will have signage up about the new requirements. We asked people walking around downtown their thoughts on the state's latest mandate.
I think that they should be mandated because it's really important.
I don't mind wearing a mask. We've been doing it for a year and a half. I could do it a little bit longer.
Honestly, it's kind of frustrating just as somebody who has taken the vaccine and has been, wearing a mask and listening to what the CDC has been saying for the past year and a half. It's frustrating to see us having to start replacing restrictions just because cases are on the rise because people are choosing to not get vaccinated.
The mandate comes as hospitals are getting overwhelmed with COVID-19 patients. There are 1,000 COVID-19 patients in Oregon hospitals, and only 7% of ICU beds are available. In a pre-recorded statement, Governor Brown says she understands the frustrations people have with wearing a mask, but says this newest rule doesn't apply everywhere outdoors.
You do not need to mask up for the fleeting pass by on a hiking trail or your morning walk with your dog. It does mean that you have to take personal responsibility and use common sense in outdoor spaces where you can't physically distance yourself.
The mandate does not apply to those playing sports or practicing sports outdoors, or if you're swimming. It also, like the indoor mandate, does not apply to those under the age of 5. Back to you.